Welcome, in front of me I have LG LED Smart TV, and today I will show you how you can change the sound settings. And I'm talking about this moment when you want to switch your internal speaker TV to your headphones or external speaker. So when you want to change it, you have to grab your remote control and tap on the settings icon. When you are here, you have to navigate with arrows and find the sound settings, click OK, then tap on the right arrow. And when you are here we get the sound out, so we have to tap on it, click OK, and as you can see here we can pick the couple of the options. There's the external speaker, headphones, LG Sound Sync, optical and wireless, and of course the TV speaker. So we have to decide which one to get. I will stay with the TV speaker, and you have to confirm by tapping on the OK, and after that you can just simply go back. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.